the family.
This is the family. Okay. Thank you very much. To me, one of the miracles of Rainbow is the fact that you all let people like me and the rest of the advisory board members that you've never met be part of your daughter's lives. And I can't tell you how important that is to the advisory board members. My daughters are all raised, all gone. Well, one of them came home, but mine doesn't count so much. I mean, my youngest is 24. There's no way for me to stay in touch with that, all of that experience of raising children without your daughters. And the miracle that happens between the time a child is 10 and when that child reaches 20 is something that I don't think I can live without. And I think that a lot of your advisory board members feel the same way. There's no, what we teach in Rainbow and in Jokes and the other youth orders is what gives backbone to what you teach your children at home already. We're not teaching anything that you're not teaching. We're just giving your girls one more tool to stay close to what you're teaching them. That family is important. Being true to what they are. Having love, religion, nature, immortality, service, patriotism, in their lives is necessary for them. Every one of them will encounter things that are going to be hard. Not one of us has gotten out of high school without having to face choices that will affect the rest of your life. What they learn in this room, what the Jokes girls learn there, makes it possible for them to reach 21 with all of their potential still intact. Thank you very much, all of you family and friends, for letting us be a part of that miracle of girls turning into women.
Retiring March. Ms. Diamond, change your mic. Just make
Left on right.
Well, don't say.
What was that thing you brought with you that
Because then
got caught in the
they'll
vacuum?
do it because you said it. They hadn't thought of it until you said don't do that.
Oh,
When you
that,
tell them to throw food, then they'll be.
Oh! No, it got caught in the fan, was it
yeah,
the fan?
in the fan.
I was.
What was that? Sounds like we missed a good story.
It's one of those
Yeah, what's
kind of stretch rubber.
Sticky hands.
Oh,
No, it was some kind of a thing that wound around.
a slap hand?
No, it was a sticky
yo-yo?
hand. I was sick and.
Oh my God.
And I was.
We must have spent an hour doing that thing.
Remember when and they kept telling me, and Papa was sleeping on the.
Oh, good.
When they come in, something got caught
With the lettuce starter.
in the fan.
Yeah, I remember.
And then
My fingernails.
Papa caught it in the back file and they left. It was really.
We can tell about how
Grab this one. Like a elastic loop.
Now we're gonna.
Not a lot of power to it.
Here's some birthday cat.
That snap. Vacuum cleaner just pull it
Did you get it? I've never seen.
off. I can't hear you.
How do you get on green mold?
Here's some birthday cash you spend as you would like to. Happy birthday, Nana.
Cool.
I'd like to make a look, like to borrow some money.
We can turn that.
Where's my penny bag?
Oh. It's on the phone cord.
Hey, what's up?
Wants me to open your present.
Don't look.
It's gonna stick on it.
It's pink. It's pink.
You were wearing bloomers today.
Because they're a precious moment.
I couldn't get over it.
Oh, I just put these on a minute ago.
But you were
They
wearing
weren't pink, is what she
Yeah, they have precious moments on it. Yeah, the pink fabric precious moments, but they have nothing. And then fun nothing.
Can't hear you.
She hadn't learned to read. That's next. That's what you go to college for. I heard that.
No, I had butterfingers, remember? That was so embarrassing.
You know,
Funny.
They had this thing, like, you gotta fill up with the candy, the sensitive thing, and it says, sometimes you do have, and then blank, and it was butterfingers, and I was going to put it on. I was like, I do not have butterfingers, and then I go to stick the thing off, and it comes up. And I go to put it up again, and it does it again. And the whole room is in hysterics. And I'm just like,
Most of them.
That's what they can.
confident attitude around you, love him, don't let it go.
Who's it from?
Oh, and Jackie and Uncle Scott.
Maybe that should go to Mama and Papa then. It's kind of work.
Books?
That's really cool. Is it open?
Be careful.
Yeah, it's got, is it open?
There's a genie in there.
Glitter. It's got like glitter and stuff. That's not nice.
Glitter from France.
It's not from France, it's from Half Moon Bay.
Got the rainbow.
Pot of gold.
Okay, when were you in Half Moon Bay?
That other day.
Years ago.
Recently?
A year ago, 2 years ago, something like that.
It's vintage Half Moon Bay.
Oh, don't do that one now.
You better save that one too, Lex.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
That sweatshirt is kind of wet, Mom.
What? Was it in the washing machine?
No, it was hanging up to dry.
Can you read them? Where'd Dad go?
I didn't hear you.
Yeah, dead.
Behind the camera.
Where is he? Where is he?
I see.
He's gonna watch the tape later.
Brian's still looking. Brian's like, he's not over there.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is, right? Can't you see him? He's wearing Dumbo ears.
Made you look.
You looked again. Your hair should be blonde again. Come on.
Is this revenge for your graduation day? Is that what that is?
Yep.
Those other days.
I know that's from, but I don't know what they have in it.
What is it?
It's from Ruby.
They have things that jump out of boxes that are alive.
It's Bluey.
Wow.
Oh, cool.
It's a nightlight.
included, is that right?
I didn't know you knew that.
Actually, it is.
Oh,
Of course I should have known.
Electricity is not in it with you.
Good, Clint.
Go plug it in. That was the finest hour, really.
Go plug it in, Mom.
It's all been done.
You said,
Plug it in, Mom.
stick it in your mouth.
Yeah.
hello,
Actually,
that works. Just open your presents.
You said there was the instruction manual.
You're sitting by the microphone, Dad.
Did you catch anything? Careful the camera. Dave's behind it.
Andy,
Watch out for Dave.
where's my dad?
He's his house.
Downstairs on the computer.
Could you
I
tell
was
me
saying, is Dave even here? He's gonna watch the tape later.
Just David. Yeah, right.
He won't watch it.
This is a
You'll
high-tech.
just edit it and put it to use.
Go ahead.
This is a high-tech,
If
fast-forwarding,
you want to.
ever-evolved world. It's nice to know that some things never change. Oh, like giving money birthday cards. Okay, it's a really long note. I'll read later.
Who's it from?
Holy crap.
Oh, Sam.
That's on the tape.
You want me to back off on that one?
Rewind.
Because you remind me, I'd like to redo that one.
Auntie Mary.
Whatever's been said while I've been gone.
You just got promoted, Mayor.
No, I'm saying you're my Auntie Mary.
Favorite Annie Mary.
To celebrate. Jack just left. On this special day, may you be surrounded by good feelings, good friends, and the knowledge that you're someone very special in this world because you are. Did I just say spatial? Okay.
It's on the tape.
They counted how many times I said okay on the phone.
No, that's after Kira said that if she says okay one more time, I'm gonna scream.
Caitlin thought it was funny. I'd always say, okay. Last year on the phone with you. Hey, Mom, okay?
I got 2 cards.
Who was that from?
Mary. Both are.
Mary.
Wait.
Slick.
What? What's
Mary B. Bob Mary Bob.
Yeah, see, that's
Busy bee.
that's why I was getting confused because there's Mary B and Mary B. Oh. So I was like, okay, this Mary B.
got the real
Why
one.
did they do Mary B? Give me a birthday card. You know Mary B wouldn't give me a birthday card. A granddaughter as loved as you. Deserves an especially happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Yes, everyone can see you
From
whispering.
Mama and Papa. Well, no, Dad likes to take my stuff.
It's money, Dad. Quick.
Oh, he's here now.
I heard there was money coming.
I wonder what his dad on it.
You don't know yet.
You might be surprised.
You know
It's
what it
soap
is,
to
but
wash
you
your
don't
mouth
know
out with.
What it is.
Yeah.
You're supposed to tell her soap to wash your mouth out with.
No, you don't need a magnifying glass, Papa and I did.
Are they slippers? Are they slippers? No.
Jeez, they are very
They're ballerina slippers?
And they're pink.
They're pink, yeah.
They're pink.
I'm good.
What do you think?
I think they're pink. They're cool.
Dr. Seuss is even more. He's standing behind the camera. Switch on.
It's Italian chocolate.
Oh, do you have a slide? What?
It's from my Italian charm bracelet.
Sandy put together all Nana's links and Sandy's links.
Why did I give that to you? That was my elbow.
Because I'm grown up.
Do I get a treasure hunt?
Since when? Too old. Not you, her. Since when? Not me.
See, Brennan was never around for the treasure hunts.
4,
That was some great fun.
Watch the video.
2,
Like a girl named Summer. Have you read this book already? No, I haven't. Oh, okay. I knew you were going to ask. Nana always reads the books.
she wants to be sure that they're okay for you.
I have absolutely.
But that's one of my favorite authors. Really?
You wrote
Yours is family. You have to tell me it's good. I will.
Yeah,
like,
I'm really amazed one.
I haven't read the last one.
I just got it.
Yeah, she was all excited. She's like, Sandy, look what I've read them all.
What book is it?
Can I spoil it for you?
Oh, I've read all of it.
It's The Clock.
No, you can't spoil it for me.
The Clock. My mom likes Christmas music. Oh,
Christmas things like that.
I forgot. to
Wishes
take that
have
one.
wings to let them fly.
That one lives
Happy
there.
18th birthday.
I think it's louder.
No,
Then what?
staying quiet.
The before.
Who's that from?
It did sound loud.
Mom, do you have any?
Wait, Norma.
On the shelf, if there is any.
Really with it.
Daddy, I think maybe it was going out to look for some in the garage.
From Macy's. I don't know if it'll fit because it's funny.
Well, maybe.
Yeah.
Macy's.
It's a gift card for Target. Has over.
They're on out here. Please watch the video.
Oh, they're calling you, Sandy.
All of our clocks are finely tuned. Times.
They all
Look
call
like you're writing it. No, it's not from.
They're sending the fishing fleet back out.
It's her birthday, Aunt. So she must be awake.
Hands are cold.
Put on your anchor light.
So it has to be from Aunt
My logo.
Oh, I see. What was pink?
What is this?
Better be a conehead.
It's a birthday cake, isn't it?
Yeah. Happy birthday, Sandy. Oh, wow, this is my name. Wait, you must have printed it.
But only if you pass the initiation.
Welcome to the sisterhood. Now you can become a member of the sisterhood.
I think you ought to
You
decline.
got that?
You can turn it down.
I know. First time I can ride the car for the happy hour club.
Yeah, decline.
No, you're not on the happy hour.
No,
Don't stick your tongue out at me, Diane.
for your birthday, granddaughter, like you should have, like you should have everything about you.
I don't know what they got into before we got home.
Where do you want this?
Your hairpiece is
I know, I took it off. The glove part. It's missing.
You got it stuck in.
Now, who gave it to
Oh wait, I got it stuck under the dashboard of the car, right?
Before installation.
No, after we took care of
I
it.
recall that she was trying to keep saying, Annie, I have to go because the flowers were falling. We're at Kear's Road. Like Indiana Jones multiplied. So she dropped the, she had to go down, let it go, and grab the flowers, and then it rang again, and she couldn't.
Cookie?
So there's this like hairpiece hanging from your dashboard.
Oh no, I took it off.
There's a new hairpiece.
It was a great visual though for a moment.
Who's this from? Okay.
You can tell that kid doesn't clean.
No, I just cleaned the house on Friday.
Which part?
Oh.
This is my Miracles little thing.
Oh, isn't that
This
lovely?
has been out of like circulation since like 89 or something like that.
Those needs to get.
eBay?
She has, no, we got it off.
She had mounting support
You
on
got it. You did a good thing there.
That's why you put the little guy in the diaper. That's what a diaper.
Well, he's in a diaper in the cross stitch book too.
I went on the internet and searched for the cross stitch book that had the pattern in it. And he doesn't look like the one.
Very nice.
Oh, because they put like the little jeans on her or something.
Jeans on it, yeah. Should be appropriate or something? No, just was one of their baby.
Excuse me, I need to come to your secret society.
The Yaya sisters. Whoops, the Yaya brothers. Liz, she said to me when she looked at the Yaya brothers. Oh, cute, you did him in his underwear.
Were they jockeys?
That's low.
Yeah, the only trouble with the rodeo is no matter how far you throw them, they always come back.
That's what Jack was talking about. The door. He's so cute.
Those are the ones you looked on the porch when we came home.
Yeah.
Your luggage?
Your box.
Oh, we have lots of kitchen. You finally forget it. Put on the internet.
Okay. What? Go ahead. What are we doing? Oh.
Of course, I was only this far from your camera, so all you have is this stomach. A little bit of a torso thing there.
But we can tell what kind of stomach it is.
You have to learn not to talk when Dave's got the camera on.
I know. And you're still learning. But it's so much fun for him if I do it.
No, I stood in front of it today.
You ready, sir? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sandy. Happy birthday to you.
They're all melting. Hurry up.
Oh, yeah, we're
I know, I asked her if she wanted to put on the cake. She said, no.
I think she and Christopher, they thought was going to light the candle. She didn't get the light.
She's very Christmas.
I'm so glad that you didn't get a chance to talk to her.
Yeah, right. I told all the story.
We're doing Christmas.
We all missed the opportunity.
I got a whole bunch of those at home. I feel like I'm going to have forever.
Irma Bombeck is doing dessert dishes. Yes, you do.
Okay, here we have the massive load of rocks that I've got out from underneath this boat lift. And it's still going.
Driver detonates igniting powder. The explosive force of burning powder shoots lead tip towards target. Simple. Deadly. A blank is a bullet with a harmless disc of cardboard instead of a lead tip. A gunpowder load can be varied to affect the amount of flash visible when a blank is fired. On the set of the Crow, preparations are underway for a scene that required quarter-load blanks. However, none were purchased. At the same time, the live shells were brought out to be modified into blanks.
Merry Christmas. Here it is Christmas morning and there's no kids up. It's just us? No kids? Where's the big little gremlins? It's Christmas morning. So when they complain about their kids waking them up, where are they? So here's Christmas morning when you get old. You're all by yourself, man. So here we are, Christmas morning, 2002, and the Rugrats are still asleep. Nothing's been touched. course, we have to get a picture of Sandy's tree. Ooh. She's got the only real one in the house. And here we got the stocking. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
We're
Hi! Merry Christmas! Is this peppy enough for you?
what?
Just peppy? Oh my god! Go jump off a cliff.
No.
Go do something.
So what day is today?
Halloween. It's breakfast.
Christmas, 2002.
No, that would be like 2000.2. It's 2002.
You don't say and anymore. Somebody decided they should.
Yeah, someone decided.
Well,
Sandy, are you showing you can count? Or lack of counting? Hey, is this two Chico gals?
Oh, one.
Who else goes?
cheeky gals.
Shit.
Yeah. There you go, Papa.
I have the Chico cup.
Hey, Mom, can I have the rest of your...
Yes. Good. They're close to me. Don't use the left microwave.
Did you know this is one of the lot, there's only 2 more.
We have proof that Francie cooks at least once a year.
Yeah, this is the second time, so guess what? You're on your own for a week. And you want more?
Oh, bacon!
Wait until you.
Hey, do you have your Prozac this morning?
Oh, no, can you hear that?
Double.
Double, triple.
Did you double yours?
Always.
All her day.
With you guys home.
No.
Or with you home, too.
There's a lot of bacon.
There is...
Oh, the best shot of Annie as usual. Oh! Shit, no panting allowed.
We watched that commercial about on USA.
So what do we have here?
My stocking stuff.
You're not organized, are you?
It's perfect.
Is that what you had to do to get into Chico, was show you could organize things in sizes and shapes? Can you believe there's 2 college kids? Oh.
She's not in college yet.
Well, she's accepted.
No touchy.
And then there's Annie. Just don't put on the ground.
Tic Tacs. That's why they're red. M&M's. I got that for you.
Oh, it's a chocolate man.
Oh! She broke it!
Jeez,
Jimmy, it's the green one.
broke it already.
Royal Riviera.
Until your Christmas present.
I think. Can I have a plastic bag, Mom?
I know, I was you guys can use some animal.
Yeah, this. Screaming. I said to Dad,
She didn't like
I
it.
got wax on my pants last night.
I did
They
too.
don't know how to pass.
Oh, did they not have the papers around?
Yeah.
Oh,
But when the lighter tips her candle,
the lighter's not supposed to tip their candle. The light
you
is
know that.
supposed to tip their
That's
It's a Presbyterian thing?
I don't know.
Hey now, be nice. Hey now, stop!
The ice cream is that one. The 3 kids are on the floor opening their stockings.
They did it on Jimmy, that's how they should have done.
So,
Empty.
It's lava.
Now we have the 3 kids in the middle of the floor.
Oh, how pretty.
that's an echo.
A 14. They're rich.
Those are yours?
Mine's at your house.
Tattoos.
They're standing. They're behind.
We looked for Barbie Band-Aids, but we couldn't find any.
Ooh.
What is that? What kind?
Hello, Kitty.
What'd you get?
No, don't use it.
Get on your nose.
Over your eyes.
Oh,
Kids.
Danny wins. Daddy cheats. Game's over. Where's that buzzer that goes off at the basketball game?
I think they were all easy to control when it was little.
Oh, cute.
Oh, how many times did I have to go back to get that?
I don't know, but it was $3.
Every time I tried to get it, you'd come in. It's Tinkerbell sticky notes, and I got them at Disneyland at the Star Trader. And like every time I go to get it, she'd walk up behind me.
I have that.
Do you?
That's okay, probably okay. Now this one
Go
won't.
steal it.
Why are you throwing the garbage at me?
Why don't you keep the bag over so you can throw it again?
They'll probably still throw it at me.
You got pretty
Second one.
Oh yeah, I need more.
Yeah, I got those a bunch of years ago. Probably the piece of the day after. I think I only got 3.
Yeah, I wish I had gotten 6.
Well, maybe
Oh,
there's
yeah.
something else that would match, you know, coordinate.
Need one of those?
Yeah, they're both nice.
Mom, he doesn't have a Phillips.
Yeah, you gotta love it. You know what? Those cost 99 cents each.
Oh, yeah.
Screwdrivers.
So you know they're long lasting.
Well, they're Stanley. They were like a you know, come on lost leader at Target.
My one from Sears broke. I was gonna
I was gonna say, where is it?
broke my
The other thing
Take
is,
it in, they give them one free.
That's
Well, I
right.
know, I just got
That's right. Well, get it out.
find it.
No, it's not.
Or give it to me because I've got.
I broke 2 pieces.
They have tools at the one in Auburn.
Well, they ordered it.
I was using one on the deck, you know, I'm covering the nail head so I could pull the nails. Then I snapped the corner off the edge, so I put it in one day and the guy just took it and walked it out.
It's one of those googly eye weird ones, you know, where they take it at a funny angle.
Traveling toothpaste.
pick up things for each other.
Ooh.
See, that's nice.
Thank you. What does it look like? It looks fine. Palm tree?
Oh, yeah, she's got those, they're like, yeah. I got a real
Yeah, the
one.
cat has got the real.
Hey, what else? What is? What's
I
that?
like Tia.
Oh, I look like a cat that goes to Mom. Oh, wait, maybe this isn't the stuff, but. Where did you find
It's
this?
other stuff that does it.
What?
What is it?
I got it in the drawer somewhere, so I wrapped it.
Oh,
That's when I cut my hair.
That was from,
one of those will work.
is it
I
baggy?
cut my hair.
Baggy?
Is that the one where, yeah, you
Yeah,
cut your
I
bang?
cut my hair.
Kindergarten.
Oh, yeah.
Kindergarten picture.
That was cool.
Just
Isn't that
start.
We
hilarious?
have the negative though, so.
You have the negative. We actually had school cards, Mom.
I gotta get in those.
Animal cookie.
We had school cards. And my shoe. More post-its. Yeah, I need
Oh, yeah, yeah. I purposely didn't look through it this time because I knew I had already given you some. Dr. Takioka's girls made little things. Oh, Annie, did you talk to Papa?
She talks to him lots of times. Oh, Papa, can you take me to the dentist before your appointment? Because I have an appointment right before yours. Why?
So she's at 10:30 and you're at 11 and I'm at 1:30.
Why? I
Same
have to get a
day. Can
cavity
you believe
filled.
that? The same day.
Okay, we can take it.
I guess so.
Look, I even get a bracelet with it.
When do you go back to school?
Not soon enough.
Waiting for that comment from somebody. Well, I start January 27th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she has to go back a week before
Go back to 15
installation.
after she's at Tuesday.
I'm not going back.
She's going back to the after she gets to Tuesday.
Oh,
You're not telling what anything is.
No, I'm not going back
What?
to 15th. I'm going back
I
to
thought,
No, I'm kidding.
Knows
I
what
thought
they
the
are.
dentist appointment was the 7th.
No, it's the 14th.
Well, I can wear them, but they're fit. They don't stretch.
Did you buy the tools?
They're really pretty. Put it on your ankle. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I told you, Dave. They had
Oh,
a big foot. Oh, no, that's a different one. That's a light up screwdriver.
Push it down. Push the top down, the tip. The tip. Okay, coming that way.
I said there's no battery. Wow. Isn't there glasses on it too?
Are you needing glasses now, David?
No, he just uses
I
mine.
just need friends.
Needs a battery.
Oh, yeah, I need some toothpick.
Yeah, they're rusting out.
They're all over the house, my glasses.
Yeah, that's what it's got.
You should have gotten that skill drill that's got the light all the way around.
It's tape for Alice.
Pipe thread tape.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Who knows what that is?
I thought it was Alice.
What is it?
Ew, it's vitamins.
What kind?
See,
My bagger.
Oh, I didn't need to know that. Something I didn't need to know.
Vitamin E Club.
I don't even know what vitamin E is for. He goes, get me vitamin E, and I go, it's really expensive. What's it for?
I don't know. Who told you you needed vitamin E, Dad?
Health magazine said it was good for.
Just didn't say why, but it said it was good.
Oh, got two sides of the battery. Now.
Oh, good.
One's a little one.
Sandy, there's the AAA batteries.
You gonna steal my battery?
yep.
We were waiting. We almost had to go into the bag and find them.
I don't know if you put this through that.
What were that for, Sandy? What were that for?
Oh,
The
a little
little,
hot.
the tree lighter. Oh, the tree lighter. Your
It's like
phone lighter.
M80.
I guess if it stays up, that means it's not yours.
They said that store, I've got a baseball
Oh,
bat.
that's about broke it. What is it?
The Christmas ornament. I picked it out for you.
Oh,
Out the one throwing the ball up in the air, or he was standing to begin with, but he had absolutely no idea how to.
Don't break them.
So finally he sat down on the track.
One of those real windy days. As we backed out of the garage, I looked over and here's this tarp spread out on their lawn. Stake
That's
on the
vitamin
corner.
C.
And he was under it. I couldn't tell.
What exactly?
oh, two sides.
He's really very good.
Here, Annie, open this.
Okay, Dave, there's your lit up flashlight, or your screwdriver.
Yeah.
And I even guessed how to put, I just put the battery in it. I
Yes.
figured if it didn't work one way, it'd work the other.
Battery installation software here. See that?
That's a collegiate thing.
Do you want your present? Daddy's not finished. Oh, I don't care.
That's
Any bag. Bag your
A
stuff.
man's home is his castle
Big redress.
until the queen, aka boss, arrives. Yep. And it's a magnet, so I won't forget because it'll be in her refrigerator.
Put it right where he has to open it to get the milk.
Yeah. Oh, definitely.
Hey,
What's his
back to 3 against 1. Go back to school.
That's right.
This was 2 to 1 ahead to the right.
Oh, Mama, Merry Christmas.
Don't throw it, don't
I'm
throw it,
gonna
don't
throw it
throw
to
it.
you.
Hey, you stole my bag.
Thank you all.
Sandy, you stole my bag. You can't have both.
Well, they were both by me.
Well, Dad,
Well, here, put my garbage in this bag. Dad, you didn't even pick up all your garbage. It's like all these little... Annie just vacuumed.
See what we had to live with?
I had a dream about Cinderella last night. It was really weird.
here, you can open the one I got you.
Where'd the almond come from?
That's my territory. Don't put that on my.
I didn't put that in there. I really didn't put that in there.
It's the one with the bear on it.
Dad, you want coffee?
Okay.
It's in the yellow folder.
The one with the bear on it.
Annie did it for you.
Annie will get it for you.
What?
Ready.
It's all geek to me.
The one who passes and not is last.
That was pretty present, Sandy. Tissue notes.
She brought me. Oh, he's flowers.
Oh, it looks just like you.
Oh, what
I
his
love
bag? What's the
Christmas
bag say?
shopping.
What is that?
Ooh, it's Target
That bag's on backwards. I know, it's okay. Somebody at Chico State loves me.
Oh.
It's the pink shirt she's been looking for.
It's the administrators.
Let's see. No, don't throw it. I'll get up.
Whoa, Sandy.
We arrived.
I didn't actually mean to hit her. I was gonna kind of get you clean.
That's okay.
Wait.
Oh, the two bosses.
Okay. Firmness. Don't break it.
Sure doesn't sound like she loves you, but I guess that's.
It feels like a DVD shape because it's not.
It's not.
It's not.
Whole package of it?
Flat heart.
Oh, I'm good. My two fingers are just together.
Mom told me you wanted it.
What? What is it?
What is it?
The DVD.
Of what?
VeggieTales. The star.
It's not one I just made.
What? You just made this one?
The table.
Veggie Tales. It's talking vegetables. Veggie Tales. They do well. They tell the Bible stories. The Good Samaritans, and they had the people that wore pans on their heads, and the
Of course.
got used for the envelopes from France.
Oh.
Oh, look at he turns so
Oh.
What is it?
Oh.
Sugar.
No one can ever see this picture. Let go.
better, sweetie. Look at Annie's foot. That was all the way, only way she could stand up at the end of the race.
Thank you, Daddy.
He picked them out himself.
Bring it over here.
I even did it myself.
Oh, are these from Photo Crazy?
Photocrazy.com. Peter Wolf is the guy's name, the photographer's name.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Here.
Finish your first triathlon. Hey, okay.
Take that over and show Mom.
I tried to get him to get 5x7s, but
Sandy, bring them.
Mama wants to see. And the man in the middle is Mr. Madsen.
So next year, you can get one like you had with Annie, where you do the whole race. Yeah.
Oh, Dave, I want you
Yes,
to know.
Bob.
Who's that?
I don't know that.
Oh, the lady, I don't know the lady.
At the Galleria the other day, we were looking for Taryn. We were walking around Santa, and there was a lady in line with a shirt on. And on the back it said, volunteer.
Oh, really?
I said, my husband will be glad to know this someone's wearing a volunteer shirt. Good work. So I want you to know now I've seen two people. That would be Mitch Booth twice, and this lady.
Yeah, I didn't get one.
You can get one what?
Volunteer shirt.
Oh, well, Ed probably has
It has a whole bunch. That's good.
Ed wouldn't give one to me. I bet. If I had.
No, you know what, we'll just tell
Mom's
him. you have to
opening
give him
that.
one. It's not a choice. I'll tell him. Ooh, getting ooier.
Careful with that.
That's a lot of words.
That was for you.
I mean quarters. I'm gonna get you quarters for
Nice, Andy, that's really very good. Andy. Was that from you?
Yeah. Thanks for reading the
Where'd the card go? Well, Annie was handing out all the presents from her.
No, I was just handing out
That's what I
presents.
need.
Jeez.
Music talks.
It said love mom and dad.
I just think it said Mom and Dad.
Read the card first.
It said loves Mom and Dad.
From Annie.
Oh, it does say that.
Oh, it does. Look right there. Francie Love. Francie Love, thank you.
Well, I thought this is
So nice.
And then you
Wait a second, who's opening here? Somebody's opening out of order.
I wish I had one. This is what I consider to work.
Well, that's what I thought.
They're both opening at the same time.
Jeez.
Who is?
Wait, Pops.
Am I supposed to be?
You're fine, somebody.
Dad, you have to wait a minute.
Something's burning a hole in his pocket.
$25 worth of quarters.
Or did you make it do its trick?
Oh, you
We'll
better.
go by Jackson on our way to the house.
Did you hear about the new Lake of the Pines Casino?
What?
There's an Indian tribe that used to live here.
Oh, good.
They're gonna do it right in the middle of the lake with a floating barge.
Are you serious? I'm almost 18.
As long as they don't have booze, you're in.
I don't know about the Rancheria, but I don't think they serve alcohol.
Oh, that's very nice.
And you can play, it plays music.
Oh, it does.
Oh, what is it? I didn't get
My favorite ones.
And I'm
I know
going
what's
to
a state
stand
word
this
is
to
that.
do that, Chico.
Oh, okay.
A lot of
I have them
Indiana.
all so far.
Oh, mama.
Mom, did I give you yours?
Well, I thought you did.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on the floor.
Well, then you can open it because it's on you.
I was waiting for it to say Chico on it, see? But I was confused that it didn't say Chico.
That's really neat. I love it.
You light up my life.
And I'll get you the stand. It's at Chico, I forgot it.
That's all right.
Here's your card.
Or you can steal Mom's. Papa's counting the cards. Did you put new ones in? Yeah.
Okay, what are you doing over there?
Now you have to wait.
Counting my money.
Scrooge!
More money for the inheritance bucket?
If I win.
Okay.
Mom's opening.
Was there any last one? And that was weird. The major was what
You
he
slide
ran
it
the
on the
coins
back.
through the
Oh, I see
quarter.
right there.
Yeah,
And I said to anybody, if you find a
they
Mississippi
didn't
quarter
want
on
to
the short
them on
one,
because they didn't want them to break.
Yeah.
and he handed me this big
That's
bag, and I
good.
started, I said, I really
I love
don't think I want to go through the
it.
whole bag.
Play.
So when he dumped them out on the tray,
It says on the back.
Somewhere in time from the movie.
Oh.
right at the top
I
of the
never heard
pile,
of
at the back end of the pile, here was, he says,
They gave
let's
you
see what
chicken?
this was. Oh, Mississippi.
They wrapped it in that box.
Oh, yeah.
I couldn't carry 3
My
boxes
problem
in
is
my
I don't know
backpack,
which
so I had
ones
to
are
take
coming up.
Mom's out and put it in the box.
That's very nice.
Daddy,
What?
your turn.
Yeah, Jackie will be jealous because she loves that movie.
They said you could take the thing out and put pictures in it.
Dad, why did you do that?
Oh, I'm sorry. Her
You
big
can take
feet
off
were
this
just
thing.
hanging out there.
You can take off this thing and put a picture in it if you want.
Okay,
Oh.
who's it from?
Annie, it says on there.
Who's it from? To Dad. Well done.
No, you better not hit him because he's got to drive to the airport. He has to go. Oh, now that he thinks that over.
Don't shake it. It's taped on the sides. You gotta take the tape off.
Old guys don't know how to take off pictures.
Sometimes.
That is really lovely. I have the stuff that he gave
It
me.
plays music too.
Yeah, thank you for standing by me, admitted through the years, for caring, understanding, and believing in me. Yes, he's 1.5 years through college. I am proud for always being there when I needed you. Yeah, she always wanted the money. And for constantly lending a helpful hand. Yeah, I gave you the story. And grateful for all you've done.
That's
Pretty
why
good.
Oh, you're taller than me. What happened?
Oh no! Annie, I didn't wrap their presents for me. Go get it.
No, wait, don't do that.
Wind beneath my wings.
Nothing.
Something else in there, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's it, that. If we hand it out, I'll cycle.
Oh, okay.
Like, I just thought of
oh,
it.
thank you.
Want your bag back? Oh, wind beneath my wings?
Song I sing summer standards in second grade.
Second grade? That was
No, Annie, I was obsessed with it.
See, you didn't seem like that long ago.
Okay, what next?
See, I think it's appropriate that caution tape, no, I didn't. The caution tape is right in front of Daddy.
To Annie. Heart from Mom and Dad.
That's the peppermint bag.
Heart.
Oh, here's probably something
Oh, yeah, these are.
Ooh, pretty cards.
Who knows? Either somebody took one from the back or I just, you were right where they were supposed to.
Love to all our friends. It even says it on the envelopes, Mom.
What?
It even says it on the envelope.
What?
The card, love to all our friends. Got a picture on the envelope.
Annie doesn't have friends.
Boy, it's got
Ew, what are you doing, you
You've seen if she needs to take a
disgusting...
bath yet or not. The smell has to get up to a certain level.
Ew, she's licking her
I
toe.
can pick my nose with my toes.
We're so impressed. We're going to need a demonstration.
Do it in your own room.
Here.
See what we had to put up with? You know,
Can't you-
just remember in 30, 40 years,
This is from the liquid.
this is what we had.
Hey, it's a pen. It's a rainbow optical fiber pen.
Oh, sweet.
got one too.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that.
Change colors?
And there's little batteries in here
Annie's
too.
changes colors, so maybe yours does too.
There's extra ink.
What kind of ink? We should look and get more right now.
Well, it depends on what
Oh,
product.
it only did that the first time. Now.
It's green. It's green.
For some reason, now it's doing it.
I think it's turquoise.
Now I can sit in class. People going.
Oh, shit.
That'll make the professor happy.
They're good. They're good.
And they came with 3 batteries.
Great.
And
Don't
ink.
lose the box.
Hmm?
Don't lose the
Oh, I
inside
think
box.
the box. What was the box?
Oh, look at that.
Thank you.
Very nicely done.
I want to close.
I don't know, Santa, why won't it close?
No, Mom does. Annie has fun with hers.
Hey now. Hey now.
Aww.
Mom and Dad. I don't think I picked this one up.
Imagine that. I didn't pick any of mine up.
Wait, it's paper.
That's Christy. Ooh,
Wow.
Planning my days. Ah, the bumblebee. What's the bumblebee do?
Megan?
There's clothes around.
Butterfly. And I get, hey, how much is this worth?
$2.59.
Went up.
Oh, Willie. 200.
In your dreams.
That's, say what?
Don't buy some item for $200 because you
Did I
might
tell you what
have to
happened
get
to
your
the
pocket
cow that
broke
went
out.
to the Auburn Christmas basket?
No.
They gave her 3 $20 gift certificates at Target for her teenage girls, and she went to get things for them. Do you remember? 2 of them were no good. So she came in to Michelle. So Michelle's gonna try and,
Did she go back to Auburn and tell them?
well, she thought they were from us. I don't know how she got that idea. Oh,
I picked him out. I picked him out.
handkerchiefs.
We
Thank you,
look the
thank
ends of the
you.
earth for those.
Sandy found
I
him.
believe it.
Pennies.
I never did.
Pennies at the mall.
Oh, aren't they pretty? Thank you very
One for
much.
each day of the week.
Yeah, and one
And it's
extra.
there. All of Papa's presents are at Papa's house.
Oh, well, you don't have any more to open. Oh. You can help me
I called
open.
in that
Oh,
already.
yeah.
That's all right. Oh, yeah, I can have your 0.
Yeah, look at him, look at him, look at him. He's happy.
He's playing with the
Well, since you have no
money.
more to open, you might as well go to read
I'm
them.
gonna put him in the recycle box.
Oh, I see. I thought
Gonna
you
be
were
back before you.
Yeah,
Oh, well, I could
exactly.
use actually, I could.
May I open mine from the Lewis's?
Slightly judgy.
Just happened to know where it was.
No,
Merry Christmas, Sandy.
See, this is
Sound like a Ooh, signature theaters, awesome.
kind of fun to have.
Now I can go on a date with myself.
Oh, how nice.
What are those?
Signature Theater, the new theater down on Nevada Street.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that causes all the trauma for me for driving to those.
They really do.
Look, it's the back of an angel. Oh, it's Santa.
Sandy, I put things in there.
Mom, I lost a needle in my bed last night. I fell asleep sewing.
Maybe you can take the queen's.
I fell asleep sewing. When I woke up to put it away, it was too late.
For Mom and Dad. More pasta rolls.
No, pasta roll.
Oh, more spaghetti. Pens, shavers, Advil,
Have a party.
shaving cream. It's tuna fish. It's shaving
Come up to pick you up here.
A health package.
Thank you.
I have another 10 that are about that big, you know.
Dad, this is for you.
What?
This is for you.
The support crew, the triathlete.
This could go in the recycle.
It's gonna be so good. You're gonna have no garbage. It's not worth recycling all the way.
Oh, I
Are we
really
recycling this?
The support crew. No, this is the team.
team slash support.
I don't think we ever did a whole one together this year. did we?
Next year they can do an Olympic system.
Yeah, right.
Second two for the soul. Get out and practice.
The year after that, you'll all go to the Ironman in Hawaii.
Yeah, I wanted to go this year, but I had conflicting schedules.
You had to work.
No, I had guard.
Thank you.
Yeah, we were at a competition that day, weren't we? Here, listen. That's a clock.
Whoops.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's for Mom and Dad.
The blue clock is leaving.
Trails and unbelievable butter popcorn. Never heard
These
of
are
it.
my gobstoppers. Gobstoppers.
What, did she pick out all her presents?
KFC. Get certificates for KFC. And my precious moments ornament.
See, I had to surprise her on the table.
Well, I got candy from school one day and I gave her one.
Bow on. It fell off. Here, Daddy, this one has sticky stuff you can put on your head.
Okay.
Or on your shirt like Aunt Joanne.
Hey.
This is from Mom and Dad.
Good reading.
Pampered Chef.
Like her mother.
Ooh, what are these?
Hair sticks.
Yeah.
It's to get toasted out of the toaster.
Oh,
or
good.
whatever.
I need that. I'm so tired
This,
of that.
ooh, this
Oh,
is,
good. Now I can learn how to cook things.
this is from Louie.
And what else is there?
Is Louie in the tree watching you?
My socks! My socks! I've been looking for these for like 2 months.
What kind of socks are they?
My toe socks.
How much is it for?
Oh, it's a precious.
It's hard to find him with only 4 toes.
Well, you eat the other one off.
Ooh! Taylor shoe stores. How much are they worth?
I think they're $5 each. A lot of this is, I bought it from the band strip.
Oh, yeah.
Not the Target one, but everything else that turns up that's a gift.
Oops, sorry, Mom. Here, Daddy.
See, isn't this cool paper?
Good job.
Oh, that's it, yeah.
Cream wrap just about every single present in that blue paper. So you look under a tree and it's all blue and green. The whole thing. Well, what I did, I had Eileen choose 2 for me.
Wow,
And
what's
that was
this?
the other
This is
one.
from
That's
Mom and
reversible.
Dad.
That's reversible as well. It's hearts on the inside.
Ooh,
Ooh, Barnes and Noble, more.
Yeah, and we buy this for you, and the next day you call and say that you bought one.
That's okay, we need more than one.
What is it?
It's a brownie tin thingy.
Mine
Fire
is
stamp.
stick-free.
Oh,
Yeah, yours isn't glass, is it? No.
Mine's plastic.
It came out.
And this came with a box to put the brownies in after they were cooked.
Oh, see, I just keep it in the tin. 'cause
Do you think
mine,
if we give Louis that picture, he'll try to eat it?
mine came with a top, so I can put the top on it. It was only $8.99 and mine came with a top.
That one's
Thank you.
$14.99.
No, it wasn't.
those are nice, Annie, if you,
Look at my socks.
We always need these.
or
Wow.
if you're gonna do a casserole, you can put it.
Togi socks.
Yeah, it's lasagna. It's a lasagna pan or.
Oh. Thank you.
We start the collection of things to go to Chico.
Now there's a bag of stuff there.
This is from Mom and
You guys have these.
it's the sheets.
It's Chico sheets.
No, it's for my bed.
Are you in a hurry, Dad?
It's my blue sheets.
Dorm room. Now how come you didn't
Sorry.
talk then?
Now I have 4 pairs of sheets.
Happy birthday. Did I not get a birthday present?
I don't know, I wondered.
Dad, it does say dorm room.
Maybe I didn't.
We need to have Annie control you, so you got to stay with her.
And they were on sale today.
Yeah, they were closed.
Mama's opening.
Oh, no, your mother.
No, go ahead.
We saw her sneaking over there.
Mama, who's that phone?
We got it on tape.
Try to do this without the camera.
We proved it.
Oh, books. These are from Jackie. Oh, Nora Roberts. Have you read those?
No.
We get to read them before you do.
Papa says, yay!
Book 1 and book 2, it says right on the front of it.
Oh, I like that. I hate that when you have to try and figure out which one's which.
Good.
Look at all your presents, Dad.
I'm gonna open this one first because it says Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday. I didn't know I didn't get a birthday present. It's from Scott and Jackie. No, it's just from Jackie. It's not from Scott. It's
Happy
from Scott and
birthday.
Jackie. What?
Maybe there's no precedence. Happy birthday.
It's just wishes. I like wishes. If wishes were horses, we'd all be riding. It's upside down. Circle journey. I was supposed to write her letters. I get it. Right? Oh, sweet. Oh, how fun. It's a book you write in and then you send it. I send it to her and she writes in it and sends it back to me.
Send the money.
And then years from now, that'll be in the archive.
Smithsonian.
Oh, wait for those.
Okay.
Do those last.
That ends. Look,
Can I open
a
this
pink
one?
pen, Sandy. Oh, and she wrote in it. Oh. This isn't a Popeye book from cans of spinach or olive oil. It's a book where we can share memories and your birthday gift. That's funny.
Aw.
Oh, and look, it comes with envelopes so you can mail it back and forth.
How thoughtful.
What? Blubber brains over there?
Can I open this? Is for Mama and Papa
So
too.
caring.
Can I
No,
open
I'm gonna open it.
No, I want to open it. I haven't opened it.
Papa gets to open it.
gross though? I don't want to break it.
It's a pig! It's a pig!
That's not what it's for.
That's pretty good, Annie.
And be sure you use plastic or wood on it.
Yeah, like our other one.
That was Annie's fault.
Except it got, somebody discontinued
I
another
didn't-
one. I think it just wore out. You know, when you get used to your
Mama, that's what I told you we needed.
I know
Oh,
it
this
is.
is,
This is from Aunt Jackie and Uncle Scott.
what was that you had in your hand?
Target card.
Yay.
These are dish thing claws.
She thought you'd like those for your apartment.
Yes, we always need them.
Anyway, where's that from? Stop it. The bell?
Yeah,
And
I got one too.
I have black.
Yeah, you put it around your neck and we can know where you're always at.
Better than a GPS.
Oh, this. Oh, yeah.
Tell it how everybody follows.
Yep.
One of the choices on the other phone was a GPS. Sandy goes, what's that? I said, I'll know where you are always.
What are they?
She said, I don't want that one.
You didn't get the GPS phone?
Oh, aren't those pretty?
How much was the GPS phone?
About the same. Maybe a little more.
Oh,
Danny,
should have had the
you know-
GPS one. That would have been cool.
What is
Daddy would have been borrowing your phone.
Mama, Papa, they're nerds.
They're what?
That's not a nice thing to say about your grandparents.
Oh, well, it made noise like nerds, so I thought they were nerds.
Well, they were given to nerds.
Ooh, they're Tic Tacs. Round table.
They're not open today, Sandy.
Hey, Steve signed them. Thank you.
This is
very
from
nice young
Mama
man.
and Papa.
He is.
He was very nice.
The big guy?
A calendar! I
know,
don't
he's a big
have one! Mama, our Aunt Jackie.
Look! Oh, my favorite page. I don't like these ones.
What is it? Why you got your lip stuck out?
Muffins on April.
Oh,
Here, I don't like those. I like my
Annie,
Mama.
Annie.
Mama.
Instead of calling it Muffin,
I just
call
want to
it
let you know
Mickey.
for next time.
Because Mickey looks a lot like us. He looks a lot like Muffin.
Mama,
What?
light green, dark green, and white.
Oh, and I got orange.
Well, that's okay. I shared with Annie.
Oh, okay.
What a nice.
Because I didn't like them.
I don't know. I don't like the chewy one.
I didn't know, so I
I
just
got a
got what they
present
had.
from Scott and Jackie.
Chewy one stick on your denture.
It's probably you broke my neck. Mom's
I
opening.
thought you were talking to me.
No, no.
Mom's opening.
Oh, is it? Oh,
It's big.
Wait a second. You got a picture of you?
No, that was from Mom and Dad.
Oh.
I got that one. So I still have that postcard you sent me. Big on it. I hope we found it. We've been seeing you all over. We need some new ones. Worded by the New York State Agricultural Society.
What's a piggy say?
Auction.
wait now, Sam.
Hey, Annie, can you say Rumpelstiltskin?
You have some others that are open.
The envelopes lasted it. Did you see this picture?
No.
See it, Jeffrey?
This is from Aunt Jackie and Uncle. It's Precious Moment! It's a gift. A bouquet of friendship, 2003 counts. The friendship we share are gifts from God and one of life's greatest joys, sharing laughter, love, and faith. Each month you can enjoy spending time with your precious moments friends. Let be encouraging.
Okay, Annie, can you say Rumpelstiltskin?
No.
Can you say Diatomaceous Earth?
No.
Are you lying, God?
Can you say Piggy?
How many
Sandy.
ounces in a pound?
Sandy?
Annie, how many ounces in a pound?
I don't know.
So finish reading the back of your calendar. What? Sorry. Finish reading.
Okay. Let the encouraging scriptures inspire